In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster in Canva for the year 2025, using a step-by-step approach that will help you create a stunning design in no time. Let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you're not already a member, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, use the search bar to look up poster. You'll find a wide range of pre-made templates designed for various styles and purposes. However, for this tutorial, we'll create our own unique hiring poster for a fictional coffee shop, just to give it a personal touch. Begin by clicking on Create Blank to open up a fresh canvas. The first thing we need to do is choose a background color that will set the tone for our design. Canva offers an array of solid colors and gradients to choose from, so you can pick one that suits your theme best. In our case, let's go with something vibrant to catch the eye. Next, let's add a dedicated space for the heading by selecting a square shape from the Elements panel. You can easily resize this shape to fit the poster space proportionately. Once you've placed it, select a background color for the shape. A crisp white can work well to ensure our heading stands out strongly. Now it's time to add some text. Head over to the text panel on the left and click on Add a Heading. Drag this text box to where you envision your main message and go ahead and type, "We are hiring." You can adjust the font size and style to match the vibe of your poster. Canva gives you the freedom to experiment with colors, so choose a hue that contrasts nicely with your background to make the message pop. With the heading in place, add a subheading underneath. This could include details about the positions being advertised or any other pertinent information. Remember, varying fonts can add interest, so feel free to experiment here too. Next, let's enhance the poster with some graphic elements. Click on Elements and use the search bar to find graphics that complement your theme. Canva has a variety of options, including both free and premium graphics, indicated by a crown icon. We can use these to add flair, but be sure to choose the free ones if you don't have a premium account. To give the poster a bit more personality, consider uploading your own images like a company logo. Once uploaded, you can use Canva's background remover tool to seamlessly integrate it into your design. Position and resize as needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and share it. Click on Share in the upper left corner and then select the download icon. Choose your preferred file type, whether it's a PNG, JPG, or PDF, and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom poster in Canva. Feel free to tweak and modify according to your preferences, and soon you'll be designing like a pro. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing.